Today I'm going to tell about the best online compiler which is absolutely free and which can support more than 60 plus programming languages. So that means we don't any software to run, write or share the code. We can use this online compiler for doing all these tasks. So let's start. JDoodle. So as all of you can see, this is coming here. I will click on this and we can see the is showing www.jdoodle.com. I will click on this. So we can see online compiler and editor. It supports more than 76 plus programming languages with multiple versions and 2 database languages. We can save, share and peer programming, and also we can also embed this to our blog and website. So let's see which programming languages it can support. Java, C++, C99, Perl, Python, Groovy, Hack, Rust, Free Basic, Node.js, MATLAB, Octave, Assembler. So we can see R, Verilog, Forth, COBOL. So it can support approximately 76 plus programming languages, and also it will have online interactive terminals, SQL and MongoDB. In addition to these, it also has online interactive calculator. So all these programming languages as well as database it supports. So let's start with some tutorial. So I will start with the Python 3. I will click on this. So we can see a sample code uploads here, and it's calculating the sum of the two numbers x and y, and it's chosen x is equal to 10 and y is equal to 25. Now let us execute this code. So when I click on execute, we can see the output is here, sum of x plus y is equal to 35. So all of you can see I have not downloaded any software. It's just simply give me a editor and a console where the results is visible. Okay, and from there I can choose the versions of the different Python versions which are available on this website. So now we can choose different programming languages by clicking on this, and we can see there are several programming languages are written here, and I can choose any of the one to write code in the programming language. In addition to this, if we go down, we can see it is also available on the Google Play Store as well as Apple Play Store. So let us click on this. So we can see jdoodle.com is serving programming community with online compilers. This app brings the online compiler and IDE capability of jdoodle.com to mobile. So if a person do not have any laptop or desktop, then with the help of this app, and if you need any help in any programming language, kindly comment in the comment box. We will provide the solution. Thank you.